Okay, so welcome to another class of this program. Today we want to learn a different thing. We want to learn how to design a realistic flyer. Let me show you what I mean. A flyer that looks like this. Wow, I did this for my customer. So this is a design. If I should tell you that I did this with AI, you might marvel actually, but that is actually the gospel truth. I did this with AI. So initially the flyer was like this. This is the sample I got from Pinterest. Okay, this is a flyer I got from Pinterest. Now, this design was created by a graphic designer actually from scratch. It's not AI. So I was able to use this sample to create something similar to that. Now, if you look at this flyer, you also know that it was created with AI actually, and it's obvious that it was created with AI. This was created direct from AI. So when you create a flyer direct from AI, you will be getting this obvious look that it was AI that did it. But if you use a sample to create such, you will realize that the flyer looks more outstanding and unique. There is no much trace about it. So in today's class, we are going to be getting a sample from Pinterest. So once you start hairstyle flyer design on Pinterest, you're going to be seeing different professional design created by different individuals. So you pick the one that you want to use in your design. If it's a discount flyer, if it's a Christmas flyer, so that's the one you'll be going for actually. Their design, which is no other than this. This is the flyer I want to use. Okay, this is the flyer I want to use. So I love the way the design is. So what you do is to click on the three dots here, download the image. This is the sample image. And the name of the flyer is Hairdresser Design Flyer. Although I'm going to be sending a sample that you use to practice. So let me download another one that you'll be using for your classwork. This particular one, this is the one you'll be using for your classwork. So in this practical, we are going to be downloading this picture. Okay, this picture by clicking on the three dots here and then you choose download image. This is the picture we'll be using for the class. Sometimes customers might actually send you the pictures they want to use. Okay, so once you are done downloading the samples from your Pinterest, remember you have to get a picture separately, then you now get the flyer design of your reference so that it will be realistic. What are the things you need in a flyer? For those writing, one, you need the company or brand name. The second one you need is the event or caption title. After that, you'll be needing the date, and if it is a service flyer, it is you are going to state the services that is being rendered. Then you can actually display pictures to communicate more to the audience or to whoever that is reading or viewing it, and then their contact information like WhatsApp, um, Instagram, if the person is on Instagram, Facebook, and so if you look at my prompts, I actually added that it should give me a WhatsApp logo. If I type WhatsApp, AI will just type WhatsApp and then put the phone number. So I say it should give me a WhatsApp logo, then Instagram logo. Instead of writing Instagram, I added logo attached to it. So I'm just going to save this as guinea kind flyer realistic setup prompt. So this is a prompt actually will be entering flyer realistic setup prompts. So I'm going to go to your www.chatgpt.com on your Chrome browser. Sometimes you have to click on the link before you can see this workspace. So what you have to do is to click on the menu that is here and choose new chat. Okay, click on this menu here and choose new chat. When you have done that, you'll be seeing something like what's on your mind. You might be having a different test. What it matters is that you'll be seeing on the box written ask anything. So you have to click on the plus button here and choose files. When you do so, it shows you this menu. Choose media picker. After choosing the media picker, all you need to do is to select the sample flyer you downloaded from your Pinterest app. So you select this particular one and wait for it to load completely. Once it is downloaded, you click inside and paste the prompts. So there's going to be an ebook of prompts to use on designing your flyer. So it is going to be going for 2,000 naira for the first 30 people. So take note, if you are interested, you just type AI class ebook for flyer design, then you get your copy. So it will teach you how to design different flyers for different brand business, how to structure your prompt. So that's what you'll be getting from the ebook. Then a video guide will be sent to you, a special one, a complete course that contains how to create logo, how to create mockup, and so many other. So when you get the ebook, you get such packages. So this is just a free tutorial to teach you that particular one. So now moving on, the next thing you are to going to do is to click on your plus button again, and you click on files. This time you are going to be adding the picture that you'll be changing or replacing with. So I'm going to say pick this picture. I'm going to pick this picture that is in 3-in-1. I'll select it, or you can choose to use a single picture. So when you select this picture, your prompt goes this way. You have to type this first using the uploaded design template. Replace the entire content with guinea kind glossy empire, which I've already structured before coming here. I'll say remove the existing picture in the design template and replace with the new uploaded images after the design template, and arrange them just like the former setting of the pictures. And also maintain the design layout and font font name used then I will now send. So you can see the picture will start rendering or loading on the flyer. And take note, from my observation, using your web chat GPT is the best so far. When you use the app, you will not get a good result, but when you use the web, you get good result, not the app. So this is what you are having as your result at the final one. So you click here and choose your download button to download the clip. So to learn how to download or create your classic logos and mockup designs like this one, like this, do where to get your ebook. So we call this 3D designs. So you want to create something like this for brands, both logo. So all you need to do is to purchase the ebook. Okay, purchase the ebook and you can create something like this from the ebook. I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be sending you such tutorial that you use to learn how to create something like this. So you can contact the number showing on the screen, 08028786923, to grab a copy of the ebook. Now on discount set 2,000 naira. After the first 30 people must have purchased it, it is going to return to the normal price, which is 5,000. Okay, so do well to get yours before it's being sold up.